Hello, everybody. Welcome to our second session of the WhatsApp invasion and WhatsApp manipulation with Coach Atta. I am sure by now all of you have got your what box sender and you've done the setups that we looked at earlier in the previous session. And we actually talked about how to get the what box sender for free on the group. I'll put my chat link, my WhatsApp link in the description. If you want the what box sender, the free version of it, you can DM, you can chat me. Let me send it to you. Okay. So going straight to today's session, we are going to look at some few settings. We are going to look at some few settings that you have to do on what box sender. We are also going to see how we can use what box sender effectively. And our copy, remember I told you in the first session that you'll be needing some copywriting skills and you will need some patience as well, because we will learn how to make friends, because you are going to be WhatsApping people who do not know you, or if they know you, how do you introduce yourself to them. We'll also be looking at sharing free value with your prospect and other stuffs as we walk along. So stay along, let's walk through this together, and I'm sure we are going to have massive sales after this video. Okay, let's quickly move to our what box sender. Number one, I want us to add some few more settings. So click the three lines at the top. The three lines at the top, hope everyone can see it. Yeah, so click that. Then when it comes, go to settings right down here. Then when you go down a little bit, you see default. The first one is default WhatsApp. So we've looked at this one. Message delay, we've looked at this. Link preview, we've done that as well. So the next one is default contact storage. Where do you want your contacts to be stored? You are going to extract. If you extract numbers from a group, where do you want it to be saved? I always want it to be on my email, because I can change my phone at any time, and I'm going to use my Gmail, my business Gmail account. Okay, so that is where all my messages will be saved. Then the second setting we have to do is this: enable pause during box sending. This is very important to do it, because if you do not put it on, you will not be able to pause the sending. You see, it will send the messages one after the other. So let's say you are sending about 1,500 messages. You will not be able to pause it. It will continuously send till the end. So you would like to put in the pause button, or enable the pause during box sending, to avoid, maybe in case you are in an area where there is no network, to avoid compiled messages. Other than that, all the messages will be sending, but because there is no network, WhatsApp might bind you. So please make sure you put this on. And if you notice there's no network on your phone, you quickly pause it and you can always resume it. Okay. The next one I would like you to do is to put this on as well. Enable random hex text. What it does is that if you are going to be sending a lot of messages, if your messages are going to be few, like 200, 300, up to 500, then I would recommend just make it off, put it off. But if you are going to be sending close to 1,000, 1,500, 2,000 messages, then I would recommend you put that on, so that what it does is that the message that you compose to send to your prospect or to the people that you are going to be WhatsApping, they are going to be the same. So this hex text, random hex text, would add something to the bottom of the text, which will make it look different. So WhatsApp will not be able to tell whether it's the same message or it's not the same message. So what box sender would add some text to it. It's not going, it will be cancelled out, maybe C5 at the bottom, and it will be cancelled out, or 45 or something, just to make it different. All the messages you send different, so that WhatsApp will not take that to be a spam or repeated messages. Okay, so as I've told you, if there are less than 1,000 messages, you can put it off, but if it is above 1,000, I recommend you put it on, so that you don't get banned on using WhatsApp. I'll be showing you how to unban your number in case maybe by mistake your number got banned by WhatsApp. I'll show you how to do that. I don't know if in this session or in another video. Okay, so with the settings out of the way, first, what I want us to learn is how to extract contact from a group. So we have it here, group extractor. Your interface might not be the same thing as mine, but it's still the same. So group extractor. Okay, so when I click on group extractor, this comes. Sometimes when you click on it, it will tell you that it will not be able to do it. It will tell you have to put on or put off access, notification access, before it works. Okay, so if that happens, quickly let me show you that before we move forward. So when that message appears, for mine it's not appearing, but sometimes it does appear. So what you do is to click this the button at the top right corner of your screen, this button. Then it takes you to display over other apps. Display box sender over other apps. I'm using X Recorder to do so. This is taking time because two apps are going to be displayed over one another. Okay, so when it opens like this, quickly scroll down to what box sender. Mine is a bit down. Yes, what box sender. Then you click on it. Then off it, go back to what box sender, click on group extractor again. Then they will ask you, please allow appear on tab for what box sender service for auto send. I'm showing the resolution that whenever you click it, then it gives you a warning that you have to put on or put off what box, and this is what you're supposed to do. So just go to the top there, put it off, then come and click on group extractor, then click OK. It will take you back to where we clicked, then you go and put it on again. So click on what box sender, then put it on. Okay, then you quickly go back to the group extractor again. So I'm clicking on the group extractor.